Hi guys, welcome to our channel today, and today we're going to be talking about the continuation of our 30th anniversary Miata ND. As you all know, this car has the BBR Super 220 package from the UK, and today we're going to be showing you other parts that we're installing, such as Mazda Speed parts, Cusco parts, and we're also going to be talking about things and other parts that are going to come soon. So a couple of days ago, over the weekend, we started installing our Mazda Speed Kit. The Mazda Speed Kit includes a front spoiler. I chose the gloss black painted one compared to a body colored one, just to emphasize the lines of the car. Also included is the side skirts, which match the OEM side mirrors. We also wrapped this with a gloss black PPF to give it that black and orange accent. And we also have a rear spoiler, Mazda Speed as well. The advantage of getting original genuine parts is, number one, the ease of install. Number two, perfect fitment compared to other copies or replicas that are manufactured substandardly. Mazda Speed also offers a rear diffuser. However, we have an auto exit center exhaust, so we had to use the auto exit rear diffuser. And today we're going to be installing a couple more modifications, such as the Mods for Cars retractable roof module, which I'm sure you've seen in a video previously. We also have Cusco rear strut bars, Mazda Speed front strut bar. So we're trying to put all of the Mazda Speed parts and some Cusco parts as well. I have some wheels coming, but that will be a surprise. Stay tuned for that. We do have some coilovers as well, and that's going to be in another part of the video. I forgot to mention that for you guys that have the standard high antenna, we do offer the stubby small antenna, which is about I think 3.5 inches. It doesn't, reception with the radio doesn't change, it still works. So stay tuned.